Hi guys. Um,
It's Clem, baby.
Sorry, this macaroni is so good. Yeah, so welcome to another video. My name is DJ Clem, and on this channel we discuss food. We talk about food a lot. Hi guys, DJ Clem here, and welcome to another video. If you're new to this channel, we discuss everything music and audio production. So if you're an artist, a producer, or if you're just a content creator that uses a lot of audio and music, I give tips, tutorials, I do gear reviews. So please subscribe and click the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Now today we are going to be talking about this pretty device here, the TONOR TC-1020 USB microphone. Now the TC-1020 is a USB microphone from TONOR that is meant to rival Blue Snowball, the Blue Yeti, and Samson G-Track. So basically what it gives you is a microphone in this enclosure, and you have a headphone output, and you just connect it directly to your computer and you're good to go. Now it's bus powered and it does not have a detachable USB cable. So the only way you can power this device is to plug it into a USB port on your computer. Now it's also important to note that you need a computer to use this device, so you cannot operate it standalone. It needs to be connected to a computer because that's where it gets power from. Now when you get the device, it comes in a nice white box. When you open the box, you find the user manual, a warranty card, and the microphone in a plastic bag. In terms of build quality, it's built extremely well. It's all metal and it has a nice padding at the bottom so that it sits firmly wherever you place it. You get a volume knob for the microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The only thing I would have loved to see is a separate volume control for the headphones. Right now you can only control the headphone volume from your computer, which is kind of a bummer. Now in terms of functionality and usability, I find that the TC-1020 is very practical. It's very easy to just pack it up, put it in your bag, and go wherever you need to go. So it's really good for like mobile recordings and stuff like that. Only thing that I would have loved to see was some sort of swivel or some sort of mount adapter so you could place this on a stand, because it's a bit awkward the way the mic is designed to speak directly into the microphone. You have to be doing this. It's not very convenient. Other than that, I think that in terms of build quality, design, usability, it ticks all the boxes. So if you need to quickly head out, somewhere to record the podcast, you can just throw it in your bag and it goes wherever you're going and it works perfectly. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Now all the audio you're hearing is me speaking directly into the microphone with no post-processing whatsoever. So as you can hear, the mic is quite crisp, it's quite clean. Because you can't really control the positioning of the mic, you might pick up a bit of background noise, but it's nothing that's too difficult to clean up with some post-processing. I found that the headphone output is loud enough. It doesn't get extremely loud, but it is very clear, which is great for anybody that does any sort of audio editing or mixing on the fly, because you can really pick out all the subtle elements of the music that you're listening to when you play music through the headphones. So it's obvious that TONOR really spent some time and some effort finding really good DA converters for the TC-1020, and thumbs up for that. Now obviously this device is targeted primarily at podcasters, YouTubers, gamers, people that need a portable audio interface, and for those sorts of people it works perfectly. If on the other hand you're like a music producer, you're just getting into the game and you need something simple, inexpensive for you to use, it also works. However, if you play a lot of virtual instruments I warn you that you're not going to get excellent latency performance from this device. Because it doesn't ship with a dedicated driver, you're stuck with whatever generic drivers that your DAW offer, and those drivers tend to come with a ton of latency. I found in my test that I wasn't able to get it to perform optimally below 512 samples using the ASIO4L driver in FL Studio. Now, based on the specs of your computer, you might be able to get it to perform better, but I can't give any guarantees. That was maybe the only issue I had trying to use it as an audio interface. In every other aspect, apart from maybe the positioning of the mic, like I said before, in every other aspect really, the TC-1020 performs adequately. Now, the TC-1020 will set you back about $50 on Amazon, which is a decent price for a device that is this well built. In terms of quality of sound, the audio interface only gets to 16-bit and 48 kHz, which isn't spectacular by today's standards, but it gets the job done if all you're doing is recording spoken word and stuff like that. To really get something that outperforms this significantly, and by significantly I mean in terms of the specs of the audio interface and the headphone amplifier and stuff like that, you might want to shell out maybe $100 more to get something from a competing brand. In conclusion, I think that the TONOR TC-1020 is a solid device for the price, and if you're just getting into podcasting, YouTubing, or music production, it could be a decent device for you to look into. So let me know what you think in the comments. What's the sound quality like? Would you spend $50 on this, or would you maybe add some money and get something else? I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you know when we post new content. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.